आज जो हमारा टॉपिक है continuing with this Newton's third law, we have a one application of Newton's third law, that is horse and cart problem. Horse cart problem, यानी जो हॉर्स खींचता है कार्ट को, वो उसमें लगता तो हमें अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन्स लॉ, थर्ड लॉ, टू एवरी एक्शन देयर इज इक्वल एंड अपोजिट रिएक्शन. जब हॉर्स खींचता है आगे तो जो कार्ट है वो पीछे खींचना चाहिए, तो सिस्टम आगे पीछे नहीं चलना चाहिए, एक ही जगह चलना रहना चाहिए. लेकिन चलता कैसे है वो हम देखेंगे. ठीक. लेट अस सपोज दैट दिस इज अ कार्ट resting on the road. Let us suppose that it has a mass m and acceleration due to gravity is g, so that its weight is mg, which acts vertically downwards. Now, as per Newton's third law, there must be a reaction. To every reaction, there is equal and opposite reaction. So this will be R. It will be balanced. So R1 will be equal to mg as per Newton's third law of motion. Since कार तो अपनी जगह ना ऊपर जाता है ना नीचे जाता है, एक ही जगह. सो R1 बैलेंस करता है इसके वेट का. Now let us suppose that at this point we have an horse. ये horse है. Now let us suppose that it has a mass m, then its weight capital M, its weight mg will act vertically downwards, and the reaction as per Newton's law, let us say that will be R2 will be acting upwards. Clear? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now यहाँ तक तो clear हो गया. Now this horse is attached to cart through a reins. हाँ? Attach होता है इसके साथ. Now when horse pulls this cart, there's a tension in this direction. And in turn, according to Newton, let us say that is T1. In turn, cart will pull the horse back as per Newton's third law. Since T1 and T are equal and opposite, that is T1 will be equal to T2. Let us say that is equal to tension T. Okay. So there will be a tension T in this rein. Now, another thing the horse does, he pushes the road with his leg. Okay. And making an angle theta. When he pushes, he applies the force, let us say F. Now at this point, there will be a reactionary force as per Newton's third law of motion. This will be in this direction. Let us say that is R. So to every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. So this is according to Newton's third law. Okay. Now this reaction is inclined to the horizontal. Inclined to the horizontal, and thus can be resolved to two rectangular components. One, that is the horizontal component H, or this angle is also equal to theta. First of all, as per geometry, this is corresponding angle. So this component will be in this direction, that will be H is equal to R cos theta, horizontal component. And इसका जो vertical component होगा, it will be in the upward direction. Let us say that is R sin theta. Let us say that is V. So we have two components: horizontal component H, R cos theta, and vertical component V, R sin theta. Clear? Now, if this component, horizontal component, that is the force, H is a force, component of a force, R is a reaction, it is the actually the reaction to the force F. Now, if H, this H force is greater than the tension in the stream, ठीक? Then horse will move forward. If this is less than, if h is less than t, then horse will not move forward. So now if h is greater than, then this will move. Now अब इन दो में से बड़ा h है. If it moves forward, then the difference in the two forces h minus t will be the acceleration, net force, that will be m into a. That is mass of the horse into the acceleration with which it moves in forward direction. Clear? Now let us take the cart. Now this tension T, this tries to move this cart forward, but in turn there is a frictional force between tires of the cart and the road. Let us say that is F. If this tension T in the rain or this string, that is tension T, is greater than the frictional force, then this cart will move forward. That means T is greater than F. It means T minus F must be equal to the acceleration produced in this. That is, its mass is M, and acceleration will be common to both, ME. Now, if we add 1 and 2, T will cancel out. We will have H minus F. And from this, we will take A common. It will be M plus M. After adding first and second equation. So, A will be equal to H minus F divided by M plus M. Now, as H is greater than F, then A is positive. So, there will be a positive acceleration and the system will move forwards. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have another